What's up guys, welcome back to Static Works. Today we're going to be fixing the BMW, and before we begin I just wanted to say Happy New Year's Eve and Happy New Year's to everyone watching us. It's been a great year with both of us and we just want to say thank you. Oh. So this is going to be the most important part of fixing the BMW, the E46, because we need to replace pretty much the whole coolant system. The water pump went out, we're replacing the radiator, we have everything we need from ECS tuning, so thank you guys. I'll leave everything down in the description where I got it, and since this is a budget build, I had to go shop around. I got this radiator for like $80, so if you're looking for radiator, link down in the description. So if you guys know anything about ECS, they offer different packages for various things. With this one, I got level 2, which doesn't come with the radiator because I could have gotten it cheaper somewhere else, which I did. But all this is going to come with, it's going to come with a thermostat, an upgraded water pump, an upgraded ECS tuning pulley, and all the hoses needed, especially with the coolant as well. So you do need to get distilled water because this is pure coolant, it's not 50-50 mix, so you're going to have to mix it as well. Something that it did not come with is this hose. This was like one of the most important things. Thank you for everyone in the forums for helping me find this. I needed to replace it as well because it got stuck and it got corroded. So thank you to you guys. I'll leave this also in the description where I got it.
Since we're here, we're going to be replacing the thermostat. It's pretty simple. It's just looks like it's 4 bolts, which we already loosened, but just to show you guys where they are. You can see there's 2 on top right here. And then there's another 2 down here, which is pretty simple to remove. So this is the old one right here. You see it's a little jacked up. I mean, it's pretty clean. To make this fit better, we do have to try to take as much of this junk off, just so the new one, there's no gap in between the new thermostat and this.
So this is gonna be the old thermostat. As you can see, has a bunch of corrosion and dirt and oil just because this car does leak oil, and we're gonna be fixing that soon. So we're gonna be replacing it with a brand new one. There is gonna be one bigger one on the top right. I don't know why they did that, and it's gonna be a 13mm while the rest are gonna be 10mm.
Alright, now we're going to install the water pump. There is a certain way you do have to install this. I don't know what this little round thing is, but make sure that is pretty much down instead of up. It's pretty simple.
So the only difficult thing about installing the water pump is there's a big O-ring that's obviously supposed to prevent leaks, and that's what's causing it to not go in properly. So we try to squeeze one nut in there, we're going to tie in it, and then tie in the other side because you're supposed to do it in a star-crossed pattern. Remember that. So now we're going to be replacing the actual pulley, and it's an upgraded one by ECS Tuning. So this one looks pretty dope. All we have to do is just tying them in here. So make sure you have the water pump on, because that's probably a mistake most people do, and then you just have to tie in it with the OEM bolts that it came with, just because it didn't come with them. Make sure to look up the right diagram for your car. This is for the E46. There's 2 belts and there's a tensioner. So you actually have to use a Torx screw. I don't even know what these are called, but they're called Torx. And then you're supposed to take off a little cap in here. You should be able to adjust it just by pushing it down, so it makes it really easy for us to change out the belts.
Alright, now it's time to get the radiator in, and then we have to get the fan attached to this. I think it should be back here.
So we pretty much have everything connected except for I believe 2 hoses. It was an actual difficult job because everything's so tight in here, and we were just doing it like not from an actual tutorial. We were actually just going through it and trying to see if we can do it ourselves. But Martin had to leave already since it's New Year's. We're all going out, and I'm almost done setting everything up. The next video that we post about the E46 is gonna be finally turning it on and having everything connected. So on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.